Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Saya Indah Permata Putri.
My name is Sofiatun.
It's me, Jelas Mengsari.
Di video kali ini, kami akan menceritakan kisah Ashabul Kahfi dalam 3 bahasa. Selamat menyaksikan.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahilladzi anzala ala abdihil kitaba wa lam yaj'al lahu iwaja. Qayyiman liyunzira ba'san syadidan min ladunhu wa yubashshiral mu'minin alladzina ya'maluna as-solihati anna lahum ajran hasana makithina fihi abada wa yunziral ladzina qalu ittakhadallahu walada.
Oke, dari surat yang dibaca tadi, ada yang tahu itu surat apa? Iya, jadi surat tersebut adalah surat Al-Kahfi. Dalam surat tersebut menceritakan kisah yang sangat luar biasa, yaitu adalah kisah Ashabul Kahfi. Mau tahu kisah Ashabul Kahfi? Yuk tonton sampai habis. Halo sobat, nama aku Celi. Sekarang aku mau cerita nih, dengerin ya. Ada 7 pemuda yang bernama Makslimina, Yamlika, Martunus, Kartonus, Bairunus, Yatbunus, dan Tamlika. Dan juga ada seekor anjingnya yang bernama Kitmir. Kisah ini terjadi di kota Efes, di negeri Romawi yang berada di wilayah Turki. Ketujuh pemuda tersebut memiliki julukan Ashabul Kahfi. Awalnya, negeri tersebut dipimpin oleh raja yang sangat baik. Namun, setelah raja itu wafat, ia dipimpin oleh raja yang sangat zalim yang bernama Dikianius.
Pertama, al-unsur al-khawfiyat Ashabul Kahfi di suratul Al-Kahfi fil al-ayat salasa asara hatta sittata asara bihasab tafsir Ibnu Katsir ay ikhbarihim bi annahum majmu'at min ashabab yuridul qalbu al-haqiqat yaqtalif al-alji al-akbar al-alzi safat wa khariq fi din batila wastamira fi al-sarqa laqad tamaman hukum al-sabru ilmu aradat sa'bihi wa taruk hayatan tayyibatan misluh Al-Sab, A'dad wal Mud'ah, Yudiskar, Fidhazza, Al-Talqi, Anahum kanu abna, Malik Ruman wa Anahum kanu syi'ban misrafan Indama yuhawilun da'wat, Al-Malik li iman bi Allah, Rafat Al-Malik bal wahadadahu, Bikhalaf Al-Malabis alati kanan, Uzainatan sya'bihim Bi Al-Sabik, atau Al-Mulik, Waqatan li syabab, La atinak nafs din sya'bihi Disabab tabat imani, Akhtar Ashabul Al-Kahf an yazhab wa hayud ila al-kaf wa yalja ilaihi hatta al-malik azin kan yuha bil alihaq bihim faqad akhtarahu li'ana qad ama Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala hatta iya yahsul ala akbar anhum yatadin min al-tafsir ala ana sabab dukhuluhim al-kaf ya'ud ila rakhbatan hawla al-sabab wa limanihim nashik fi al-hifaz ala imanihim
Cuma wada'ahum fi al-makharat al-mazkurat fi surat al-Kahf al-ayat sab'atu asyara hatta samaniyata asyara fi tafsir Ibnu Katsir hadhi al-ayat tadulu ala halat al-Kahf hayat yujad dalil a'la ana bab hazza al-Kahf yu'aji al-somala lakin la yazak faqat fa hadza al-tafsir yaksif aidan ana idat asbab liwujud bab al-Kahf wa yu'adi huna aidan ana awwaratabahum aw wajahahum ila al-Kahf wa yu'ti al-hayat fi li'ana al-syams al-wriya yahdulan bihuriyat liyabkiya jazadahuma wa hadza yantabik aidan a'la halat al-ayin alati tazalu maftuhatan atna al-naum hatta la tatadarar bi juhulatin kama yashara yazza ara al-ula ma bila al-tafsil hawlu halakila bihim mustalkiat wa arijuluha mutaqati'atan amam al-kaf ka'ana hadza al-qalbu kan yahrusuhum qabuhum inda ba'aba al-kaf yu'ayidun zalik idafat hadis sahih nushi wala takhul al malaikat baitan fi lauhat wa kilab wa junub. Hadis riwayat Ali bin Abi Thalib radhiyallahu anhu. Kama tasyu'ur kilabuhum bil barakat alati yashi'ur bihu asha bil alqab hazza al qalbuhu qalbu syahidi ayatami lillah ahadihim dzakarat fi hazza al syarha ana Allah qad qatahum bi mukhifi hatta la yajru ahad a'la yuruyatihim illa anfusuhum.
According to Tafsir Al-Misbah, which explained why they woke them up so that they will ask each other about their time in the cave. This commentary also reveals the answer to their question and the purpose of their awaking from their long sleep. That is so that they know the long and short of a time, because there will be a day when the creature of this world will no longer be felt or called the day of death. In the Quran Surah Al-Kahfi verses 19, which read, Kam labistum. The meaning is, how long have you guys been here? And there is answer to that verses, namely in Quran Surah Al-Kahfi verses 19. Qalu labisna yawman aw ba'dal yawmin. The meaning is, we are here a day or half a day. Ibnu Katsir also reported that finally they were awakened with a healthy body, hair and skin. They did not lose a bit of their condition after 309 years had passed. This is what caused them to ask each other about the length of time they have slept in the cave. And some of them said that they were there only half a day, because they entered the cave at the beginning of the day and get up at the end of the day. After waking up, then one of them was told to go to the city with silver or barakah. This is because previously they had brought dirham to meet their needs and there were still a few dirham left. While going home and going to buy food, they are afraid if the followers of Dicyanus found them, because they will continue to be tortured until they return to their original religion, or else they have to die. And at that time, there was a group who believed that what was restored was a spirit, not a body. Then Allah raised Ashabul Kahfi as proof that what was restored was not only a spirit but also a body. But there are also those who deny it. Then Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala makes the story of Ashabul Kahfi as evidence for those who deny. This commentary also mentions the chronology of when one of them went to the city to buy food, and how the townspeople finally found out about their whereabouts of the silver coin they used to buy food. Then the residents told their new king when they visited the cave where the Ashabul Kahfi were. The first sight they saw was a dead dog at the door of the cave. And in the cave there were 7 young men of Ashabul Kahfi who had slept forever or dead.
Dari cerita di atas dapat kita ketahui bahwasanya ketujuh pemuda tersebut mampu mempertahankan identitasnya sebagai pemuda yang beriman kepada Allah di tengah kekufuran kaum dan bangsa mereka. Identitas mereka sebagai pemuda beriman diakui oleh Allah dengan firman-Nya, sesungguhnya mereka itu adalah pemuda-pemuda yang beriman dengan Tuhan mereka, dan kami tambahkan kepada mereka petunjuk. Quran Surat Al-Kahfi ayat 13. Diceritakannya kisah Ashabul Kahfi dalam Al-Quran bukan tanpa tujuan. Ada beragam hikmah yang bisa kita petik. Salah satunya, yang pertama untuk mengukuhkan akidah, yang kedua lebih giat melaksanakan tuntunan-tuntunan agama, dan yang ketiga yaitu lebih giat mengisi diri dengan akhlak. Baiklah, itulah penyampaian kisah Ashabul Kahfi dari kami. Semoga bermanfaat. Thanks for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.